Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the prestigious landed home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. I'm Kevin Tan.
And I'm Max. We're here to showcase an exclusive, newly ENA 2.5-story terrace with 5 bedrooms for sale in District 20, Windsor Park, nestled in the prestigious GCB Enclave. With a modern-looking facade in the midst of greeneries, this lovely home has a land size of 2,045 square feet, built up approximately 4,000 square feet, parking 2 cars easily.
Looking at this spacious living area with this feature wall that's specially crafted out from a huge piece of natural Italian marble. It can hold a 100-inch projector screen which the family can use for their movie nights. The dining area is situated under the airwell, which allows the natural light to come into the house.
Be wowed at the spacious kitchen with a large island peninsula for additional storage and seating. This setup allows for efficient food preparations, which also providing a comfortable space for dining and socializing for up to 10 people. There is actually another wet kitchen in the yard area for your heavy cooking. A guest room on the first level, and the house comes with a powder room nicely tucked at the rear of the house.
As you enter the second level, the master bedroom is enhanced with an outdoor balcony for the homeowners to wind down after a hard day work. It comes with a good-sized bathroom at the front of the house. At the rear, it comes with another 2 good-sized bedrooms. Both bedrooms are designed differently, with one bedroom that comes with a loft, good for teenagers. At the attic, you will be wowed by the good-sized junior ensuite bedroom that our owner has converted it into a gym. It comes with a good-sized balcony space that one can relax while overlooking at the greenery. The bedroom also comes with a good-sized bathroom too.
Enjoy the convenience of nearby schools such as Ai Tong Primary School, within 1 km, St. Nicholas Girls' School, Catholic High, and you can walk to Thomson Plaza and Upper Thomson MRT. Easy access to town. We are in the best location of District 20, which is rarely available for sale. Live your dream of luxury living at this newly ENA home and make it yours today.
To schedule your viewings or for more inquiries, please contact our listing manager Sharon Kim at 9277 772. AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772.
Your compass for landed properties.